Let's solve this SAT question. In the xy plane above, ABC is a square and point E is the center of the square. The coordinate of the points C and E are 7, 2 and 1, 0 respectively. Which of the following is an equation of the line that passes through points BE? Notice that point B is -1, 6, and point D, though not given, point D is 3, -6. So let's get into the solution. All right, now from the question, we've been able to deduce the coordinate of point D and the coordinate of point E. So I'm just going to use those two coordinates instead of using this and then saying that this line is perpendicular to this line, because that will take more time. So the fastest way to do it is just to use these 2 points. First of all, I need to calculate the slope of the line that joins these 2 points. And formula for slope is formula for finding slope is m is equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So which point am I going to use as my point 2? Let my point 2 be B, and B is -1, 6. So this is x2 and this is y2, and my point 1 will be D, and point D is 3, 6, and that means this is my x1 and this is my y1. All right, so now the next thing is to find the slope. Slope is m is equals to y2, that's 6, minus 6, 6 minus this, sorry, point D, this is -6, -6. 6 minus -6 all over my point 2 is -1, as this, minus 3. So that means my m is equals to, this is 12 over -4, and that's -3. That's my slope. Now I can find the equation using this. Y is equals to mx plus c. This is the intercept on y-axis. So this is my slope, and I can pick any point on the line to represent this. So let me pick point D. Point D, this is my y, that's -6 is equals to my m. We calculated this as -3. What is my point? My x, that's this point, that's 3, plus what? C. So this is -6 is equals to -9 plus 6 transpose. We have that 9 minus 6 is equals to C. So my C is equals to 3. Now go back here, replace this slope and this constant. And we have that y is equals to, what was my slope? My slope was -3 into what? X. What was my point C as calculated here? Plus 3. So the equation is y is equals to, I can factor -3 out, and then I'll be left with x minus 1. Either this or this represents the equation of the line that joins points B to D. Thanks for being a part of the video.